from Putri, and in this video I want to show you how to make a simple but nutritious steak. Yep, it's a ginger seed. You can also make it at home anyway. Yeah, just watch the video, okay? First, you need a ginger and a glass of water. Then boil the water to the pot and turn on the stove. Well, sorry for the stove. Yeah. Set at medium heat. Fire. While waiting the water is ready, we mash the ginger with the aloo. Punch, punch, punch. When the ginger is ready, put it on the gas. Turn off the stove fire. Well, boil the water to the cup of ginger. Here you go. Jum, jum, jum. And voila. That's it. You can also add honey or lemon juice for the flavor. And don't forget to tap like and subscribe. Goodbye.